Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 5.2, question number 11. A quadrilateral have vertices of A is minus 4 minus 2, B is 5 minus 1, C is 6 5, and D is minus 7 6. Show that the midpoints of its sides form a parallelogram. Here, let a quadrilateral ABCD ABCD. The midpoints of the side AB is E, and this is F midpoint, this G, this H. Now the quadrilateral A is the points A is given as minus 4 and 2, and B is 5 minus 1, C is 6 5, and D is minus 7 6. The midpoints E, the midpoint E is, we have to find midpoint E. Here midpoint of AB, midpoint E is equal, that is midpoint of AB. Here AB is minus 4 plus 5 by 2, 2 minus 1 by 2, minus 4 plus 5 and 2 minus 1, which is equal half and half. Midpoint of AB is, one more time we'll check, minus 4 plus 5 by 2 and 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, here minus, sorry, here minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2, and midpoint F, which is the midpoint of B and C, which is equal 6 plus 5 by 2 and 5 minus 1 by 2, 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equal 11 by 2, 4 by 2. Midpoint of midpoint G, that is midpoint of D and C, which is equal 6 minus 7, 6 minus 7 by 2, 5 plus 6 by 2, equal minus half, 11 by 2. Midpoint H, midpoint H equal, midpoint H equal minus 7 minus 4, minus 7 minus 4 by 2, and 6 minus 2 by 2, 6 minus 2 by 2, which is equal minus 11 by 2 and 4 by 2. These are the midpoints. Now we got it. Now we'll find the slope. Slope of EF. Here slope of EF, this EF, we have to find slope of EF is minus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2 and half minus 11 by 2. Y2 minus Y1, that is minus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2 over half minus 11 by 2, minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2, that minus 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Slope of EF minus 10 by 2, which is equal 7 by 10. Now next slope of FG. Slope of FG is here. F1G is here. 4 by 2 minus 11 by 2. 11 by 2 minus half minus plus half by 2. 11 by 4 by 2, 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 over 11, 4 by 2, 11 by 2, 11 by 2 plus half, which is equal minus 7 by 2 over minus 7 by 2 over here 12 by 2. 12 by 2, 12 by 2 gives minus 7 by 12, minus 7 by 12. Now like that, slope of GH, slope of GH here, slope of GH is slope of GH is here. G is the point 11 by 2 minus 4 by 2 minus half plus 11 by 2. GH, that is 4 by 2 minus 11 by 2, 4 by 2 minus 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 plus half, which is equal minus 7 by 2 and 10 by minus 10 by 2, which is equal 7 by 10. So we got, and slope of HE, slope of HE, look here, the slope of HE means this HE minus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2 half minus 11 by 2. We can do 4 by 2 this way also, 4 by 2 minus of minus plus 3 by 2. So 4 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, like minus 11 by 2 minus half, which is equal 7 by 2 minus 12 by 2, which is equal minus 7 by 12. So look at the slopes. Four slopes are given: 7 by 10 minus 7 by 12, 7 by 10 minus 7 by 12. Here two slopes are equal to each other. And also we have to find midpoint of EG. Here midpoint of EG and midpoint of HF we have to find. Midpoint of EG, midpoint of EG is midpoint of EG we have to find half plus minus half by 2. EG is E and G. E is half minus 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 plus 11 by 2 by 2 which is equal 0, and here here 8 minus 3 by 2 11 plus 11 by 2 is 8 by 2, that is 4. We got the midpoint of EG is 0, 4, as well as midpoint of HF midpoint of HF is equal here midpoint of HF means this point H and F. Here 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 midpoint of HF midpoint of HF is minus 11 by 2 plus 11 by 2 by 2 and 4 by 2 plus 4 by 2 by 2, which is equal 0, and 8 by 2 is 4. Here look at both midpoint indicates same point, that means both diagonal intersect each other, both diagonal bisect each other, Therefore from these results, that is slope opposite side slopes is equal as well as uh, equal, both diagonals bisect each other, then we can say therefore the given that midpoints of the joining the sides of the quadrilateral, that is EFGH, therefore EFGH is a parallelogram. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.